Hi there, in this video you will learn about how to export Google Chrome devices in Google Workspace with xFanatical Foresight. Exporting a list of Google Chrome devices in Google Workspace manually is time-consuming and lacks advanced functionality. Administrators often need to update device settings, assign users, and manage organizational units, which becomes complex and inefficient when handling a large number of devices. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With xFanatical Foresight automation, you can streamline and automate the entire process. The platform allows you to export Chrome device lists to CSV effortlessly, email reports directly to IT managers, bulk move devices to specific organizational units, re-enable multiple devices in one go. This automation not only saves time but also reduces the risk of errors, letting IT teams focus on higher priority tasks. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Export Chrome Devices template and click on it. In the Export Chrome Devices page, click Copy Rule. A dialog titled Copy of Export Chrome Devices will display. Click Next. Then click Review. In the review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the process of exporting Google Chrome devices list in Google Workspace. Go to the Rules page. Click the play icon of Copy of Export Chrome Devices rule. Wait momentarily, and you will get a notification on the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, click the Here button to download the Chrome device's CSV file. Confirm the Chrome device details in the downloaded CSV file. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. Please visit xfanatical.com.